Material Girl. I am experimenting with my Instapot 3-quart pressure cooker. So I made broccoli and pasta with mushrooms primavera. So I used the pressure cooker button, and I'm glad I shut it off because I overcooked the pasta. So that part I have to learn. But the recipe, you think you died and you went to heaven. It is delicious. So I'm going to do another video of me making this. And in here I have chopped meat, mushrooms, sun-dried tomatoes. I used the tricolor pasta, broccoli, buttermilk, and wine, and onions. And it is so delicious. I think this is the only pot I'm going to cook with. My little Instapot. But so far this is the second meal that I made, and I love it. I love it. So when I do this recipe again, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And I got to get the I have to really learn how to do the buttons, because I don't know how long to pressure cook. And now what I'm reading is the pasta like 5 minutes the most. But anyway, I'll show you when I make this recipe, but I'm going to be doing all my recipes in Instapot. That's how much I love it.